Morning, guys. Just got up, got in the shower already and stuff like that. Yeah, about to just get ready for work. And my cousin just texted me, so I guess I gotta go get him real quick and drop him to my aunt's house, and then head to work. Let's see what this day has in store for me. Right, just got dressed, about to start my day. Come on, Max. Come on. Good boy. My home, by the way. Yeah. Yep. This is my fish that I had forever. I had this fish forever. I think he's a guardian angel or something. Come on. Get off the mat, Max. Always making a mess. What's wrong with you, man? Stop running up and down. Stop messing up the mats. Dude. I have to get my shoes for today. Well, shoes for work. Well, my first job. Yes, sirree. Max. Calm down. Calm down. All right. In the back. How fast he runs, man. Always excited in the morning, but yep. About to go pick my cousin up and get my day started. All right, y'all, just got to work. It's my man's Lee right here. Yeah. See how I'm gonna start my day. It's my man's Ryan over here. What's going on, Ryan?
Shit, chilling, bro. Hey, make sure you subscribe to that nigga Andre Walsh. You know, oh.
There was a bee in his car, man. It's crazy, you know?
Shit, but I'm good. You know,
Man, he all right, though. He all right. He all right. Go kill the bee for him, man. Where it's at, Ryan?
Pussy ass,
Yeah, man, I don't know what's going on.
I never spare that kitchen. Keep it so I usually have a pair that's kissing. And I'm lifted on purple hair that's sin. Now that's what I call a fucking air technician. Down there, they got the hair that's missing. Keep it bare. I promise I'll never tear that kitten. I'm aware sex hit.